I tried NiceHashcom review app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. NiceHash claims to let users mine cryptocurrency effortlessly, but most people get this wrong. Many assume mining is too technical or only profitable for experts. I spent a full week testing their platform to see if it lives up to the hype. On day 1, I signed up and explored the dashboard. The surprising truth, it's surprisingly user-friendly. You can monitor your mining activity, profits, and payouts in real time. Many people assume crypto mining apps are overly complex, but NiceHash makes it accessible. By day 2, I started mining. You won't believe how simple it was. After connecting my hardware, the app began calculating earnings instantly. Most people get this wrong, thinking they need advanced setups or months of trial and error, but NiceHash streamlines everything. Day 4, I tracked payouts. The app automatically converts mined coins into Bitcoin and deposits them into my wallet. Many assume delays or hidden fees, but payouts were accurate and timely. By day 6, I experimented with profit optimization features like switching mining algorithms for higher returns. The app provided guidance and analytics. Most people assume beginner users can't optimize effectively, but NiceHash makes it doable. On day 7, my final verdict: NiceHashcom review app is legit, practical, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. The shocking truth: crypto mining isn't just for tech experts. With the right platform, it's accessible, profitable, and easy to monitor. With clear analytics, automatic payouts, and optimization tools, NiceHash proves that cryptocurrency mining can be efficient, safe, and surprisingly simple for everyday users.